What we're here today is to commemorate the opening of our new historical archive. For many years, the records of Montgomery County were kept in deplorable conditions that were out of compliance with state law. But the county council found the money to make this happen. It's just plain good government. We didn't have hundreds of constituents saying we must have a new archive, but we knew it needed to be done. And as soon as we emerged from the deep recession, we found the money, and now here we are. And future generations of scholars, historians, and public officials will be able to use this archive to understand where we've been, because it's a cliche, but it's true. If you don't know where you've been, you can't tell where you're going. You know, this is one of the projects that is going to be of enormous benefit to future generations, but almost no one is paying attention or will know about it. And that's okay, because what we do in public service, we do because it's our responsibility. Indeed, we are open. Welcome to the archive. And this was a case where the county council stepped up to this responsibility. There is, although I'm delighted that the Montgomery County Historical Society and perhaps aspiring historians of the future are here, this was not one of the budget items for which there was an extremely energized political constituency. But we did it because it was the right thing to do. We found the money, and the county council made it happen. In 2012, when I tasked the staff with evaluating options for the untenable situation in which Montgomery County's patrimony, Montgomery County's archival records, the history of this entire enterprise, Montgomery County, Maryland, which was in despicable conditions, unacceptable, and literally unacceptable according to national standards, we had to end in compliance with state law. We had to take this step. The majority of records at the archives date from the mid-20th century to the beginning of the 21st century, a period of major growth in our county that saw us transition from an agricultural society to a bedroom community for Washington, D.C. commuters and a home for federal government agencies to what we are now, a dynamic, mixed, diverse economy where most of our residents actually work in the county. The government records held at the archives document this period of change and growth. And as future historians and analysts, writers, and government officials study these records, it will help illuminate the struggles that county officials faced trying to provide managed growth, improve transportation and infrastructure, and a healthy public and a healthy environment. With a functional historical archival program, the County Council is now funding adequate storage facilities with appropriate temperature and humidity controls large enough to accommodate additional county records of historical significance. We will accommodate access to the public. We will accommodate a program that is a defined process to identify records of historical value and transfer them from the County Records Center to our historical archives. We are providing adequate staffing, allowing enough staff time to ensure that our archival program is carried out, that backlogs are processed, and that records are made available to the public. The county is very appreciative of the Montgomery County Historical Society for stepping up to this task and recognizing the crucial importance of this task for future generations. And the Historical Society will manage this facility and provide our residents access to these historical documents. And for the students and scholars and historians of today and the future, this archive offers immeasurable assistance. And here today, representing the future generation of scholars, are Patrick Dwyer and Tara Bardvaj, who are both part of the IB Diploma Program, International Baccalaureate at Richard Montgomery High School. It is resolved that the County Council of Montgomery County, Maryland, hereby proclaims October 2014 as American Archives Month. And be it further resolved that the County Council takes this opportunity to celebrate the reopening with great pride and enthusiasm of our new Montgomery County Archives, and encourages all residents to discover the rich treasures contained in the archives repository.
Without you, it wouldn't have happened. It takes a leader who's interested and committed, and I appreciate it.
You bet.
It's what our county government does so well.
Thank you for saying that.